Hey, y'all want to see some wild stuff since people don't understand the stuff that we go through as truckers. I just woke up. We supposed to been loaded yesterday morning. We've now been at this place for, let's see, still haven't been loaded. We've been here for almost 18 hours at a door. So you guys be thinking this crap be a game where we've been at this door for that long. 18 hours, might as well say. Trucking, y'all, gotta love it.